So I'm out here walking, and I see this little birdie here. Please just relax. See this little birdie here. Ooh, little birdie. Oh yeah, you see yourself, eh? Crazy, right? FaceTime. FaceTime with the birdie. Anyways, this little birdie here, just sitting here on the pavement. Oh, that's not a good spot for the birdie. You okay, birdie? Anyways, it's fucking wild because there's Buddy smelling the birdie. There's Callie, be nice. Yeah, it's amazing. This is like right out of Disney. So I'm gonna take this birdie, put it a little closer here. Okay, here you go, birdie. Yeah, good job. Bye. No, let's go. Callie, leave it. Callie, what did I say? Never trust the bitches. They'll kill them. Okay, Callie, let's go. Anyways, so that's this morning. Good dogs. Good girl, Callie. Yeah? Right, there you are.